The SQL mathematical functions are functions that are also quite useful. Here we can take a look. We can actually call some of the addition, multiplication, subtraction, and modulo functions, which can return useful data back to our application. So here we can see we're using the addition function. So we're selecting 3 plus 5, and we can see the result. Here we have an example of the multiplication. There is a multiplication operator in here. Sometimes it's a little easier to see if we enter a space. So we are multiplying these two long numbers, or these two big numbers. So it's almost like multiplying that. Well, we are multiplying them together, and we're getting that result right there returned by SQL. Here is the division function, and notice in this case we're going to try to divide by 0, and we get null back. So if we come in and we update this appropriately, and we get that result right there. So we can see that that is a result of dividing 300 by 6. We can also set precision. So here you can see here we can set the division precision. So, and then we'll try it one more time, and you can see here we get the precision, or the characters to the right of the decimal, to the precision of 6. And we can see the modulo here, so we can return the remainder of the two divisors here. So if we have one number divided by another, we can actually return the remainder, which is useful for applications like determining if a number is even, or there are multiple useful purposes or items that are useful from modulo, and there it is right there.